how to make money using Sunpump.meme. Guys, in this video, I'll be teaching you and sharing with you the two strategies to make money using Sunpump.meme. Consider supporting my work by subscribing to this channel if you are new, and turn on your notification bell so that when next I publish crypto content, you'll be the first to receive information about it. Okay, so let's get started. Now there is this is a chart showing the total value lock. Okay, total value lock of different chains. Okay, from Converse Finance to Etna to Solana and to Ethereum. And you can see that after Ethereum, the next leading chain is Tron. Okay, so this is one of the factor. This is one of the data that confirm that this could be Tron chain season. This could be Tron chain season for this cycle, for this market cycle. So that means what this means is that there's a lot of money on within the Tron ecosystem, and a lot of money will be made if only you learn how you can make money using Sunpump.meme that was recently launched. Okay, so back to how the two ways to use Sunpump.meme to make money. So the first strategy is creating and launching your token. Okay, and second strategy is trading on meme coins that have potential to run to 100 million, 200 million, 500 million, and $1 billion market cap. So I'll be showing you, demonstrating how to do each of the two, each of the strategy, how to create or the step-by-step guide on how to do it. Okay, so how to launch a token on Sunpump.com. So now look at this, launch your token on Sunpump. No pre-sale, no team allocation, lower gas fee. So this is the barrier to entry is very low. So now let's assume we want to create a token. Let's call the token Sun Musk. Okay, now the next thing to do is to upload an image. Okay, Elon Musk image. Okay, so what will be the ticker? Let's use this as the ticker. Let's use this as the ticker. Or the description. Musk is, so let's just use that. Our website, if we have a website, sunmusk.meme. Okay, now let's say we have Twitter. Okay, let's use this as Twitter. This just fiction, and this just want to demonstrate. This is not a real. I'm just using to demonstrate. Then initial buy, the first person to buy your token. Now you must buy your token. You should buy an amount. Okay, so that you need to, although it's optional, but you need to owe a certain amount. So that when it's running, you can also make money. Let's say I want to buy 100 million. Okay, then once everything is set and I have money to pay my debt, I'll click on launch. So once I click on launch, and that will be it. So once I click on launch, then you come to home. Okay, you see it will be in this form. So the token you just launched will be in this form. It will be in this form. You see the bonding curve. Okay, the bonding curve is this must complete 100% before it gets listed on their DEX, which is okay. Now this 3%, then it will be progressive as people get to understand, get to know, your token, get information about your token. This body curve will be increasing, will be getting fee until it get to 100%. Once it get to 100%, it will be listed on SunSwap. Okay, so this is just one of the ways. This is one of the ways to make money. Okay, it's one of the ways to make money by creating and launching your own token. Although there are other things that you need to do. You need to know how to do the market. Okay, maybe you need to know how to partner with crypto influencers. Okay, you need to know how to do how to manage community, create and manage community, and so forth. Okay, so this is the first strategy. Guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. So let's go to the second strategy. So the second strategy is simply you identifying, you coming to Sunpump.meme and studying the tokens and buying okay, and buying studying the tokens, studying the coins, and buying the coin, okay, that you think will do well. Okay, so let's look at some of the coins that you believe will do well. Okay, so this coin, okay, it was recently tweeted by Justice Son. Okay, this is where it tweeted it changed his profile picture. So let's now assume that we want to buy this project. Let's now assume we want to buy this project. So what we need to do is, firstly, we need to connect. We need to connect our wallet. Like I said, if you're using a laptop, okay, you need an extension, a wallet extension for this Tron link. Okay, just install it. Then once you have installed it, deposit, fund it with Tron, and then connect. Once you're able to connect it, that means you can trade, buy and sell meme coins on this platform on Sunpump.meme. So to buy, you click once you have done your research and you believe that this coin potential, this meme coin has potential, you can just come here and trade. So this 5 minutes time frame can do 15 minutes, can do. Then this will give you perspective. You may decide to wait for for support. Once everything is in order, you may decide to buy 5,000 TRS. Okay, once you have typed the amount you want, let's say you want more than that, maybe 50,000 TRS worth of Wukong, then you click on trade. Automatically, you get the token that you have bought. It will be on your wallet. Then also to sell, once you have made profit and you want to, okay, you come to this platform and click on B. If you want to sell 75%, you want to sell 50% or 100%, click it and you click on approve to sell. Now, these are the two ways to make money using Sunpump meme. Okay, although this is highly risky, make sure you do your own research, and this is not a financial advice. Also, invest, okay, what you can afford to lose. It is very, very important. Guys, if you find this content helpful, kindly hit the subscription button, subscribe, comment, like, share with others, share with your family. Okay, at the top of this channel, there's a video on the top meme coin to hold the front in crypto. Check it out and find it very useful. Coin Dollar has community, and the focus of our community is to guide members on how to make money in crypto on daily basis. So check the description section and you'll find the link to join. Also, if you are new to crypto, you need to start by understanding different how you can make money. So there's an ebook called Crypto Millionaire. Kindly check the description section and you find the book and start a journey from there.